Now, you all know that I have massive gloating rights over my sisters because I can grow meconopsis, Himalayan blue poppies, up here in the Highlands. Now, there are a couple of things you need to grow these things. One is acid soil, and another is actually quite a cold winter. They love a cold winter. But there's a third secret trick. Now, the secret trick for how to grow meconopsis successfully for years and years was given to me by Donald Davidson at a Breachen nursery, or Loch Ness nursery, a wonderful plantsman. And he told me to do this. At the end of the season, when your meconopsis is dying back like this, just lift it out of its planting spot, take out that old soil underneath it, and then fill that hole with mature horse manure. So once you've got a nice little bed there of that lovely rich horse manure, back in it goes, nice and snug, with that lovely rich manure around it. And that is honestly all you do. Make sure you do it every year though, just as the autumn comes in. And it certainly worked for me, and I'm sure it'll work for you. Now, if this video has been useful to you, please do consider subscribing to our channel and following our blog at the3growbags.com.